Hi, I'm Janice, and I just celebrated winning a milestone in my blogging career. I was awarded the Best Internet Marketer 2021 by the Infinity Blog Awards, and they also, at the same ceremony, announced that I was the most outstanding blogger of the year. Quite high points in my blogging career. So you're here because you want to be a blogger. Well, I'm so excited. This is such a ride. This is such a journey. You've really embarked on an exciting new endeavor. But before you start, there are several hard truths that I do want to share with you that I can share based on almost 7 years of blogging experience. So here we go. Hard truth number one, you need to learn SEO. A lot of bloggers say, oh no, I was once upon a time one of those people who thought I could generate search engine traffic from Google without learning search engine optimization. No can do. You do need to learn SEO. And that skill gets better, more honed, the more you do it. So eventually it becomes routine and you don't even have to think about it. Hard truth number two, you do need other people when you're a blogger. You don't blog in isolation, and you shouldn't. When bloggers learn about you, they often think of you when they're composing their posts, and they link to your blog post articles, and that boosts your SEO, which will in turn get you more and search engine traffic at Google. Also, they'll share your work, which gives you more exposure. So definitely don't blog in isolation. I've met a lot of my blogging friends on Twitter, and I recommend that you go there to network in your niche as well. Hard truth number three, not everyone will love your writing. And I am thin skinned, maybe not a good quality for a blogger, but it is a whole cold hard truth you do need to learn. And I don't even know if that's so bad that not everybody's going to love your writing, and I'll tell you why. When you start a blog, you're starting a community, and a community is full of people with different thoughts, different ideas. And so when people uh, don't agree with my viewpoint, I might take a day or two to think about it and then I'll respond. Often it's really helpful if you tell people what you understand them to say and then counter if you don't agree with them, or if you've come to realize they're right, tell them that in the blogging comments section. Hard truth number four. Many bloggers pass around information they get on the internet. But the trick is you need to make it your own. There's nothing wrong with research and sharing what you've learned. That is what I do. I offer blogging tips for bloggers. I research the information. I try out the information. I share what I have learned and what works for me. But the trick is to make it your own. Put your own spin on it. And in that way, it will be unique. And it won't be like people are going to all these different blogs just to hear the same information, because the way you present it will be different. Hard truth number six, blogging often entails sacrificing your principles. And a lot of new bloggers really struggle with this. Are you going to blog for your own personal enjoyment? Are you going to blog because you want to help other people solve their problems? People go to Google and YouTube online to get answers to their problems. If you, I was about to say rant, vent about the kind of day you had, well, you might feel cathartic, you got it out. But if people don't go to YouTube looking for information about the kind of day you had, you're not going to get search engine traffic, and you'll feel like you wasted your time. And too many people abandon their blogs for that reason. So do your search engine research, use keyword tools, find out what people are looking for, and try to have the best of both worlds. Solve people's problems, but at the same time, write about what interests you. Hard truth number seven, blogging changes you. And I don't necessarily mean in a bad way. I grew up kind of in a sheltered environment, But when I started blogging, I met people from all walks of life. I met people who were blogging from jail. I met widows who wanted to cheer others up in that situation. I met stroke victims who wanted a blog and present as support for other stroke victims. And it made me a more well-rounded person as well as a more well-rounded blogger. So be prepared for that. Blogging definitely gives you new perspective on life and definitely an appreciation for life. So at any rate, again, welcome to the blogosphere, as we call it. And those are the 7 hard truths that I believe you need to know before you start blogging. Please subscribe so that you get more information about blogging and blog promotion and social media. And I'll see you in the next video.